In this video, we will learn about the responsibilities and skill sets of a data engineer. The overarching responsibility of a data engineer is to provide analytics-ready data to data consumers. Data is analytics-ready when it is accurate, reliable, complies to regulations it is governed by, and is accessible to consumers when they need it. At a broad level, data engineers extract, organize, and integrate data from disparate sources, prepare data for analysis and reporting by transforming and cleansing it, design and manage data pipelines that encompass the journey of data from source to destination systems, and set up and manage the infrastructure required for the ingestion, processing, and storage of data. This can include data platforms, data stores for aggregating source data, distributed systems for large-scale processing of data, and data repositories for storage and dissemination of analysis-ready data. Next, we'll learn about some of the technical, functional, and soft skills you may need as a data engineer. Let us begin with the technical skills. These include knowledge of working with operating systems such as Unix, Linux, and Windows, including commonly used administrative tools, system utilities, and commands. Knowledge of infrastructure components, such as virtual machines, networking, and application services, such as load balancing and application performance monitoring. Also, cloud-based services, such as those offered by Amazon, Google, IBM, and Microsoft. Experience of working with databases and data warehouses, which include RDBMSs such as IBM DB2, MySQL, Oracle Database, and PostgreSQL. NoSQL databases such as Redis, MongoDB, Cassandra, and Neo4j, and data warehouses such as Oracle Exadata, IBM DB2 Warehouse on Cloud, IBM Netezza Performance Server, and Amazon Redshift. A high level of proficiency working with data pipelines. Popular data pipeline solutions include Apache Beam, Airflow, and Dataflow. Experience of working with ETL tools such as IBM InfoSphere Information Server, AWS Glue, and Imprivado. Proficiency in languages for querying, manipulating, and processing data. This includes query languages for accessing and manipulating data in a database, such as SQL for relational databases and SQL-like query languages for NoSQL databases. Programming languages such as Python, R, and Java, and shell and scripting languages such as Unix/Linux Shell and PowerShell. And finally, familiarity with big data processing tools such as Hadoop, Hive, and Spark. The data engineering process involves several different tools and technologies. Having a working knowledge of comparable technologies can help you evaluate the trade-offs between different tools and make appropriate recommendations. Data engineering is at the intersection of software engineering and data science. In addition to the tools and technologies that data engineers use on a daily basis, they also need to have a keen understanding of how data scientists, analysts, and business users leverage analysis-ready data. Some of the functional skills that will serve you as a data engineer include the ability to convert business requirements into technical specifications, the ability to work with the complete software development lifecycle, which includes ideation, architecture, design, prototyping, testing, deployment, and monitoring, an understanding of data's potential application in business, and an understanding of the risks of poor data management, which essentially covers data quality, privacy, security, and compliance. Data engineering is a team sport. You could have multiple data engineers bringing in their specialization to collaborate on a project, closely interacting with the data consumers, which includes the analysts, data scientists, business users, and other technical teams. Therefore, interpersonal skills, teamwork, and collaboration are essential for data engineers. As a data engineer, you need to be able to communicate effectively with both technical and non-technical stakeholders in a manner that a clear understanding can be established. In this video, you learned about some of the responsibilities and skill sets of a data engineer. Data engineering requires a broad set of skill sets. No one data engineer can possibly master each one of these skills, which means you essentially need to select one or more specialization areas, but have a good understanding of all areas so that you can make more informed decisions. Your skills will grow over time with experience, the areas you choose to focus on, and the time you invest in upskilling yourself.